is up, guys? Hope you're having a blessed day. Welcome back. So we're already going to be fixing a few things on the truck. If you remember from last video, I can't remember if it picked it up very good or not, but the truck is losing manifold pressure, I believe is the correct way to say it, up top because of the exhaust. It's struggling getting air in for one thing, but not as bad as it is getting air out. So I have an appointment with a guy that Craig recommended to go get the exhaust done. It has 2 3/4 after the Y pipe, which is 3-inch Y pipe, and then to the muffler. The muffler's 3-inch too. The exhaust shop that I had do it before just hacked it all up, and they just beat the muffler to fit the factory size and filled it all with weld. So we're gonna get all that fixed. So I'm not sure, but I'm thinking I might be able to notice maybe a hair difference in power. I don't know, but I'll show you guys kind of what it is underneath. Alright, don't know how well y'all can see, but this right here is the stock exhaust piping. It starts back at the Texas Speed Y pipe, and then it comes all the way back here to this muffler. This muffler is a 3-inch, and they just beat it kind of in, down below, and up above to fit the 2 3/4 better, and then they filled it with weld. So not too happy about that. I thought I was gonna get, when I did it, piping all the way back, but he's gonna do 3-inch aluminum piping, and then he's either gonna shorten it right here where it turns down before the axle, where it's not gonna throw crap all over the axle, or past it, so that way I can keep the rear clean and stuff like that. Not a huge deal, but it's just kind of nitpicky that I wanted done differently. So we're about to head over there. Julie's gonna follow me and bring me back home. We're gonna leave it with him. I think he said a day turnaround, so pretty soon we'll be able to go pick it up and get it back from him. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna sound any different or if I'll really feel any power difference, but I think it'll be maybe a little bit deeper and then maybe just a few more horsepower. I don't know, but of course we got to get a cold start before we head out. So we're gonna head out and go get the truck dropped off. I don't really know the guy yet. I just know him from Craig. So I probably won't film it, just probably heading out with Julie to go back home and then picking it up. So see you guys there. Alright guys, the truck's dropped off. He actually said that maybe a 1-day turnaround, so that'll be really nice. But he's gonna do from the Y pipe back and then keep the muffler I have, because I really like the way it sounds. And then he'll change out that piping to 3-inch. But yeah, I got it dropped off with him. Give a shout out to him. It's C&H Muffler and Welding in Earlsboro, Oklahoma. Welcome back, guys. It's day 2. We're heading to go get the truck. He did a 1-day turnaround. So I had him do the exhaust, like I said, 3-inch from the Y pipe back. And then also on the Y pipe itself, where it bends to meet the passenger side, there was like a gap right on that little, kind of like a 45-degree bend. No, it's a 90-degree bend. There was like this much of a gap, and I was just covering it up with a band clamp. So I think he fixed that. I'm not sure how. Maybe he lengthened it, and then the band clamp kind of covers it a little better now. But that was leaking pretty bad, so that's fixed too. But we're about to be there to pick it up. Alright guys, we're here. There she is. Just jacking it up so we can see it real quick.
That's 2.5.
That was 2.5. Was that where the Y pipe was?
No, this is coming out of the muffler.
Coming out of the muffler.
That's
oh,
why
that's the
it's
turn
so
down.
raspy, like when you got on it.
Yeah.
It popped and stuff. But it wasn't even welded, the top of it.
Yeah. Here, show that. I don't mention who it was, but that wasn't even welded. He cut this off. This is where the Y pipe was connected. What is this? Is that what 2.5? And then that's 2 3/4, the stock stuff.
Maybe a little over 2.5, 2 5/8.
2 5/8.
That's weird.
That's the stock piping right there. But we'll go look at it. Already seen 100% that his welds are way better. a million times better. It's got the nice, way nicer turn down on it. I kept the 3-inch muffler, the MagnaFlow, just because I like the way it sounds. We'll go up it. He had cut a piece that they put here, that 2.5 piece, way too small for that. And then, looks like, are these new? Are these new?
Yeah. The other ones I couldn't get tightened up.
Oh, I appreciate it.
So.
These are new, these band clamps.
And I actually shortened
Oh, that one's the same.
header and slid it all forward.
Right there.
And then same on this side.
What'd you have to do for that?
Once I did this, it went right in.
Sweet.
So.
You shortened it and it
Yeah,
went right in?
Shortened these, or shortened the header and slid these back over.
I knew something wasn't right.
And it's still a little close, but I got more clearance than what it had
Yeah, cause like
on it.
I would try to push this up to close that gap, cause
Yeah.
there's a gap like that big, and it just wouldn't. You seen it?
And then this is welded. See where it set it up, the bottom of the cab right there.
It was leaking right there.
Yeah, that header was
Jeez.
leaking. And then
I mean, it still sounded good, but it shouldn't have sounded like that for what I paid.
This is the best clamp out of all of them, and I
That
got
one?
it tightened back up. So.
Dang, I appreciate it. It's just like go from F- work to A+.
Yeah.
You said you get a lot of that?
I do, actually.
Of all their stuff. I ain't gonna mention it.
That muffler, it was pointed way up here, like this.
Like that?
The hanger was flipped up like this, and it was pointed. The muffler was like right here, and it was pointed up.
Upwards angle. Gee.
And then it was turned down right at your rear end.
Yeah. See, I asked him if he would shorten it because it was throwing gas all over this, and it's just not clean. It's just, you know, something that I don't like and he didn't like, obviously. But it looks way better now. That looks really good. Alright, we're gonna fire it up with the new exhaust. Sounds different. No leaks, you can tell for sure. Sounds good. Woo. Sounds really good. Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
Get out of here.
Let me know if you need something else, or if you have any problems.
Yeah, definitely save me some heartache. Way better quality. But so what's the address and stuff for the shop? Any info I can put down below or anything? That sign out there?
Yeah.
I'll go grab the sign real quick.
All right.
Appreciate it, Chad.
Yep. Thank you.
Here's the wife's Tahoe. Show you the sign. Yeah. But C&H muffler out here in between Seminole and Tecumseh. His address isn't on here. He gave me a card. But C right there, 35084 off Highway 9. But definitely come check out Chad. Awesome work. Like, the other stuff was just horrible. I don't know. They're almost family, but I kind of wish they weren't doing people wrong like they are. But definitely come check out Chad. Hooked me up good. But we're gonna head out, guys. All right, guys, we're heading out. Chad's got me hooked up. Get home. We'll get some sound on it on the highway too. I can already tell though it sounds so much better. He's got a Camaro right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. He's about to put back in the shop. Sounds different. Sounds really good though. We'll roll up the windows here. He said that the turn down that they had put on it, I can't remember what size he said it was, but obviously he said it in the video, but it was really causing that rasp from being too small from the muffler. The muffler's 3-inch that they had put on there, the previous shop that did my exhaust. And so he put the right size turn down on it, so it sounds really good, way better than what it did sound. No, I can't hear any exhaust leaks that I can tell. Let you hear it real quick. in just a second. It was just leaving them in the dust. But I don't know, this setup right now, it's got me so happy now with the exhaust fix, the motor, Craig's tuning. Seeing it come together, so exciting for me. Now we just need to get the ADE behind the 6.0. It's so dark, but we'll step out real quick before we end the video, and I'll show you. Hear it outside one more time. But there you go, guys. Sorry late getting home, but a big shout out to Chad. I'll throw all his Facebook stuff down below. Truck sounds so much better without that crappy exhaust job that I had done on it. But be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't. Give it a big thumbs up. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.